Welcome back to Healthcare Tips by Alina. Today, we've got a fascinating topic that many of you have been asking for: 10 brain-boosting drinks for enhanced cognitive function. Your brain is your most important organ, and what you consume can have a significant impact on its performance. So, let's dive into these refreshing and brain-boosting beverages. Hydration and brain function. First things first, folks, staying hydrated is crucial for optimal brain function. Water is the best place to start, as even mild dehydration can impair cognitive abilities. Green tea, the brain's best friend. Now, onto green tea. It's packed with antioxidants and a special compound called L-theanine that can improve alertness and cognitive function. Plus, it's a fantastic alternative to that afternoon coffee. Coffee, the morning kickstart. For many of us, coffee is the morning ritual that kickstarts our day. The caffeine in coffee can enhance alertness and concentration, just remember to enjoy it in moderation. The power of fruit and vegetable juices. Fruit and vegetable juices are next on our list. They're a fantastic way to load up on essential vitamins and antioxidants that support brain health. Think of those colorful, nutrient-rich blends. The golden elixir, turmeric latte. Ever tried a turmeric latte, also known as golden milk? Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with potential anti-inflammatory and cognitive benefits. It's not only good for your brain but also a soothing drink for your evenings. Herbal teas with cognitive perks. Herbal teas like ginkgo biloba and ginseng are believed to have cognitive-enhancing properties. However, the scientific evidence is mixed. Still, they're worth a try for those looking for a natural brain boost. Supercharge your brain with smoothies. Let's not forget smoothies. A well-balanced smoothie with ingredients like berries, leafy greens, and nuts provides a plethora of nutrients that support brain health. Plus, they're delicious. Fish oil, omega-3 fatty acids for your brain. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish oil are well known for their brain benefits. You can either take fish oil supplements or, better yet, include fatty fish like salmon in your diet. Conclusion. There you have it, folks, 10 brain-boosting drinks to keep your mind sharp and your brain healthy. Remember, while these beverages can contribute to improved cognitive function, they're most effective when combined with a balanced diet, regular exercise, quality sleep, and mental stimulation. Cheers to a healthier and more focused you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming content. Until next time, stay refreshed and keep that brain buzzing.